Hi folks, how are you all doing today? And today it's time for updating our snake game. Okay, so let's update it and let's add some features in our snake game, right? So in the last session, we just have created a very basic version of the snake game, right? Let me quickly show you what we have created in the last session, right? So, oh, when I click on green flag, it is still on game over, so we did not do that part. Only one time. It was just a one-time play because ball is also not changing its position. Okay. Oh my God, there are so many things in this to change now, right? So basically, let's suppose if I just place my ball here, then go to backdrops and let's go here, click on start, right? So now if I just start playing the game, you can see that I can move my ball and I can touch the egg, right? So if I touch the edge, then it says game over and it stops doing the thing, right? Again, if I click on green flag, only egg is changing, but the snake you can't move, okay, because it is in game over state. So most probably on snake, when game is over, so you're just stopping everything. You're not doing anything, okay, after that. So that's why this is happening. Okay, so there are so many glitches in the program. We can say that there are so many bugs in the code which we have to resolve them. Okay, so let's start by resolving the game over issue here, right? After the game over, again, when I click on green flag, so ball has to start off in a new position, right? That means we can just say go to XY. When green flag is clicked, we are switching the backdrop to start, right? Not only doing that, we also have to go to XY 00. That means in the middle of the screen, it starts off. Okay. See, it is starting off in the middle of the screen now, right? Okay. Then whenever, okay, let's do it like this. So again, I'm touching it. It just goes to game over, right? And when I click on it, again, it starts off in the middle with the start screen and there's a egg here, right? So you can touch it and you can get the thing. So we resolved that bug, right? Where it wasn't actually starting off. Yes. So we resolved that bug now. Okay. And the next thing would be, so you start switching to backdrop start thing, right? And you are also changing the position. Okay. So let's suppose you also want to add scores whenever you touch the egg, right? Then how would you do that? For that, we will be needing a variable. Okay. So if you don't know what is a variable, please do go back to my channel, Folks Hub and Programming Concepts. We have discussed about variables and also I think in Scratch also, just go to variables operators thing. I think we have discussed about operators, variables, and my blocks in one of the videos. There also we have discussed something about variables. Okay, please do go back to my channel and check it out to understand about them. But a variable is like a container which can hold or store some value in it, right? So already there's a variable created here, my variable, or you can click on make a variable to create a new variable also. Okay. So what I will do, I will just right click on this. I will rename this variable as score. Okay. So in some of our other programs which we have created in earlier sessions, also we have discussed about the score variable. You can go and check it out if you've not been watching, right? So I've created a score variable now, right? I also want to show it over here on the screen. Score should be visible to your user, correct? So let's click on it. See, it's visible now, right? Now, now, so whenever snake touches egg, right, we have to increment score by 1 each time. Okay. So in egg, you can see if touching snake, we are just changing the position. So along with changing the position, if you increase the score also, that would be great, right? So change score by 1, right? Let's check it out if that happens or not. So I'm just clicking on this. So going towards the egg. Okay. Yes, you can see it is increasing the score actually, right? Okay, so I have to continuously press the key to move the snake. That is also one of the problem here. We'll resolve that also. And you can also see I collected egg 5 times and I got 5 as the score. Okay, let me just click on it. It starts off from 5 only. Oh my god, this is a problem here, right? So it shouldn't start off with 5, right? It should start off at some other value which is like 0 again, correct? Because after game over, if again you're clicking on green flag, that just means that you're starting a new game. Then score also should start off new, right? But that's not happening. To make it happen, what will you do? Just go to snake, okay, and when green flag is clicked, you can set score to 0. After setting backdrop, you can set score to 0, okay. Let's see, it is setting score to 0. Now, if I just collect egg once, twice, right? And I'll just touch the edge. Now again, I'll click on this. It starts off with 0 only. Wow. Now we have added scores to our snake game, right? That's a cool thing. But the movement of the snake is not so good, right? You have to continuously press the key, and doesn't really sound so good, pressing the key again and again or pressing the key continuously to move it. No, 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 we don't want to do this, right? So then we want something else to happen, correct? How would you do that? So for this I actually have a solution, right? Let's create a variable and let's set some direction to that variable, okay. Then if we just if the variable value is that thing, until and unless the variable value is that, you will be doing the same thing. Okay. Once the variable value changes, again, the direction also changes. Okay. So something like that I'm going to set up now, right? How would you do that? Just make a variable called as direction. Okay. Then so we have direction and we need not show this on the screen. So to unshow it, you just have to uncheck the box here. Okay, to hide it basically. Or you can also right click on the box. You can just click on hide. Okay, that is also possible. Now, now what shall we do is same on the snake. So when up arrow key is pressed, we will set this direction variable to up. Okay, let me just go to events. When up arrow key is pressed, so I'm going to variables and I'm going to set direction to up. Okay, so up. Now, now when down arrow key pressed, I would want to do similar kind of a thing. So when down arrow key pressed, so set direction to down. Okay, you can right click and duplicate again. So when right arrow key pressed, we would want to set direction to right. Okay, and when left arrow key pressed, so we would want to set direction to left. Cool. So now you have set up the directions, and instead of using key up arrow pressed or key down arrow pressed or key right arrow and key left arrow, then what would we write now? So instead of directly placing the key here, we'll just set up direction thing here. Okay. Go to operators, get equals operator. So we will be needing 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So if, go to variables and get direction. So if direction equals up, okay, for up arrow key, right? So up, the next one is down. So we'll write down and direction from here and place it over here. Then direction from here. When you see the border around the circle, then you have to drop it, okay? Then right, get another one, and this is going to be left. So in the last session, we understood about the movements. Basically, when you're trying to move up, y value will increase. So change y by 10 by a positive value. Okay. And when you're moving downwards, y value will decrease. Okay. When you're moving rightwards, x value will increase. When you're moving leftwards, x value will decrease. Okay. So now let's see what happens with this thing, right? And do you know this? Like when you right click on the screen and when you click on clean up blocks, so it just cleans it all up like this. Okay. So everything will go in place, and I just want to keep it over here, and then I want to clean up. So see, they all went down and this is here. Okay. Now, now let's run it and check. Oh, see, it is already having some movement now. Okay. So direction is set to something and it already starts moving. So again, I will click on green flag. And if I just say, oh, it's too fast now. Oh, wait, cool. Okay, cool. Oh, I'm not pressing on the arrow key. What am I doing? Yeah, cool. It's so fast. It's so fast. Oh my God. As this is continuously moving, right? And we have used forever, so it is very much fast. I don't think we have to give 10 now. There's no need of giving 10. So let's give 3. Let's give a very slow movement for this. Not very slow. 3 also will not be too much slow because it is moving continuously, right? So I'm just changing the things to 3. Okay, let's check it out with this one. Ah, cool. It is slow right now, and it is easier to move. Okay, cool. So it is just moving, and I need not press the arrow key again and again. It is automatically moving on its own now. If I just press it once, it starts moving in that direction. If you want to change direction, definitely you have to use your arrow key to move it. Okay. Cool. So now it is looking something like a snake game. Now it is good. This is cool, and this game is cool now. So okay, now when I touch the edge, it again shows game over, and it is tracking score almost. It is coming into place now, right? So this is fine. So far, it is good, right? What else can we resolve on this? There are still so many features which we can add into this, right? We'll discuss about them. Okay. And I also want to paint my snake. It's just round, right? I just want to paint it. I want to make it interesting. Okay. How can I do that? Go to costumes. So you have this. I don't think you'll be needing. Let's keep them. We don't know. We can use them. So if you want to change costumes and you want to make it colorful, right? Let me show you how to do that first. So let's say go to events. When green flag clicked, right? So you want to do something forever, like you want to change colors forever. Okay, so forever, and go to looks and take next costume. So this would switch the costumes again and again continuously, and your snake will switch will switch colors because costumes means your colors, right? Different colors. So let me show you by running this thing. See, it is switching colors now. It's so colorful and it is like a disco ball, right? Cool. It's like a disco ball. And if you feel like this is going so fast, the color switching thing is going so fast, okay, then you can also add some delay here by going to control. Wait 1 second. So every 1 second it will switch the color. Let me show you. See, every 1 second it is switching color. Okay. If you like this, you can keep this, right? Now, not only this I wanted to do, but also I wanted to draw. Okay. What I want to draw? Let's draw some eyes. Yeah. Let's click on circle. Let's choose some color. So I will keep eyes black, or let's say white. Let's just decrease it, increase this. So create a white color, and or we'll fill black color. Okay, and the outline will choose white color. What say? Right? And let's increase the thickness something around 15. I would try. Let's see if this works out, right? Okay, cool. Oh, it's too much, I think. 15 is too much, I think, because it's too much. Too much. I would say undo. Let's just say 8. Okay. Now let's do it. I think this is okay for me, right? And now, if you want to duplicate this thing, right, just click on the mouse tool here. Okay, copy here and paste here. Then just do this. That's it. See, um, click some elsewhere. Oh wow! See, there are two eyes. Cool, right? It looks so cool. And I just want to change the alignment a little more. So I want this here. I want this here. So I think this looks good. Okay. Now you have eyes, right? You have placed the eyes of the snake. What next we would want to do? Definitely, we would want to draw like a snake tongue. Yeah, it has like a cobra tongue wherein it just splits into two, right? So something like that I want to draw. But again, I want to use circle. This time I want to decrease the thickness to 2. Okay, outline thickness to 2. So, and I want to draw this kind of a thing. Okay. And from inside this, I want to draw those cobra tongue, right? To draw that, I want to take a line, and I will draw a white or red color thing, most probably. So red colored thing. Let's take 5 thickness for now. I will see how it goes. So I'm just drawing a line like this, and I will take the mouse tool, just drag it towards middle. Okay. And then I'll take a reshape tool, click on it, and I will say this. I think. I don't know, I'm not sure. Let's draw another line now. Uh, okay, I'll take a reshape tool, click on it, and let's see this. I am not sure if I want to do this thing, right? I will say I'm dragging it like downwards a little, then click on reshape tool. So I think I'm messing it around. I think I'll just undo it. I've got another idea to do this. Okay, what I will do now is let's click on it, copy, paste it. I got another line, right? I'll just place it over here like this. Okay, and then let's take the reshape tool. Now let's click here and okay, let's do this. And I will say I'll just move it like rightwards. And I will also use this to rotate it like that. Yeah, cool. So I've rotated it. And on this other one also, wait, reshape tool on this one, I will say, yeah, yeah, something like this I want to do. And I would want to rotate it also. So I will rotate it like this thing. Okay. And let's drag it. Okay, cool. Okay, I think I got something relevant which I wanted. I will drag it in the middle. I will drag this also in the middle. Okay, cool. So yeah, they look something like snakes thing, right? I hope so. They are looking like it. I am not sure. But yeah, it has the thing, right? That's okay. I'm not a very good artist, but yeah, you can do it anyhow. Okay, so I have created it something like this using reshape tool and all. Okay, so you can try it, and tell me how your snake turned out to be. Okay, let's quickly click on it. When we get blue costume, only then you will see that snake thing. Okay, because that's what we have done, right? Only on the blue costume we have it, so that's why. Cool. So what if I am not switching the colors? Okay, so if you want to switch colors, if you like that, you can keep it. Okay, so I think I will not do this thing, so let's do it. Oh wait, let's go to costumes and switch it back to this one. Now let's do this. Cool. Cool, isn't it? Okay, okay, now it is having. I actually have another idea also. Okay, let's apply one last idea on this and then we'll end it up here. Okay. So like we want the snake to be blinking its eyes also. Okay. How would you do that? I would just duplicate this thing. Okay. And now using the mouse tool, I will just make it smaller like this. Okay. I will just make it smaller like this. Okay. So now one after the other, we will be just like we'll just show one after the other, the costumes one after the other. Okay. So let's go here. When green flag clicked, right? So that looks like some animation on the screen, right? So that will add more effect. Okay. So let's go to control and let's get forever. We wanna to switch costume to ball B2. Okay. And wait zero point 0.1 seconds. Okay. Wait zero point 0.1 seconds and switch costume to B. See? Oh, cool. Cool, isn't it? I like it. I like it. Okay. Let's stop it. Go here on the big screen if you see. Ah, this got its interesting stuff. What if we do the same kind of a thing on the tongue too? That would make it lively, isn't it? Yeah, of course I would want to do that. What I will do, I will just drag it towards it. I will just drag it towards it. Let's see how the animation will turn out to be, right? And then we'll see what else we can do on it. Okay. Ah, okay, cool. So like you can see, it is just moving sidewards. I don't think that looks good. No, this is not the one I was expecting. Okay, let it be like that. What I will do, I will click on it, and I will, oh, not like this. So I will touch it and drag it like this. I will touch this and drag it like this. Okay. Um, is this okay? Let's see how it turns out to be. If it's not okay, then oh yeah, it's something like it's opening its cobra tongue. I think it should be more like going in and coming out, right? Something like that it should be. So then it would look more realistic, I feel. So I think this was the real thing, right? So what shall we do is I am just using the mouse tool, clicking on it, and decreasing its size a little bit. Yes, like this one. Okay. So it feels like it is going in and coming out, going in and coming out. Okay. Let's check it out. Yeah. Cool, cool, cool. It's turning out to be cool now. It's so lively and it's so cool now, isn't it? I really like it. I really, really like it. Cool. So this is about the animation. We have created a small animation over here. Okay. So I hope this game is fully functional now. At this point of time, it is fully functional. But yes, we can still make it more good, and we can add so many features into this, and we'll add so many features in the next session. Okay. All right. So today we've really created so much, right? We have done some animation on the costume. We have changed the directions and something like this, right? We have added scores. We have given the starting position. We have changed the score by one. That means each time it is catching the egg, it is increasing in its score now. Okay. So these are all the changes we have created today, and we'll do more and more in the next sessions. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I will be taking your leave now. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub. So I will be giving you the link in the description box below so you can check it out. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye, and have a great day, all.